We are going to see for our forest stock there, the sodas, the cans. We have for the pretzels, the snack boxes. This is all is for our warehouse. We just do it whatever we need it from restock to a truck, or if we need something more from the aircraft or somebody call us, we just come and grab from here to go back to the airport to give it to them. Copy that, 67 on the rear. Nose number 260. My name is Samuel, and then I'm for Provo agent in Southwest Airlines. I'm really glad to be here with Southwest. The company is so nice. I'm glad to be here. I'm one of the part of the company. When I come in here, I can't wait when my first day coming in after my days off, because I like to work here. I like for my subs, my managers, my coworkers, my altitude, everything is here. It's amazing. So I like Southwest. I don't even know how to explain to you about that. This is for our gate, by the way, 67. We start doing from the rear. I like the air, I like the weather. Sometimes the snow is not good, but I'm okay with that. Here's the how's it going, guys? All right. Doing for provisioning, you just restart for some stuff. It's almost all the aircraft are similar. You don't have to get for any confusion about it. When you get for the front and when you get back for the rear, is about the same. The thing is a little bit different because of 800 and then we got 700. That's the only thing for the difference. The rest, everything is the same. Oh, teamwork is really important, man. As I told you earlier, if I need to help, and then if you help me out, we sort it out for our problem within 2 minutes. Is that right? Not even 2 minutes, 1 minute. I used to work for morning shift, but I'm not a morning person anyway. But I just did that one overnight as well. Sometimes double, sometimes mandatory, because when you have for seniority, you've had low seniority. The holidays comes, especially for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, that's for mandatory, which is for double pay. So everybody would like to do that. If not, the lower seniority have to pick them up. There he is! Thanks so much, man. Appreciate it. Whenever you come here, just try to be your own time, be serious your time, be serious your schedule, be serious your work. Have a good day. Thank you so much for that.
I love my Provo guy.
There you go. Hey.